Welcome back to Processing Brains. In this video, we will learn how to download and install VLC media player on Windows 11. So here I have Windows 11 installed, and to download and install VLC, simply go and open up any browser. In my case, I will go with Google Chrome browser, and here type in for VLC download and hit enter. So I have missed it, VLC. So here we have VLC download, and the first site that pops up is videoland.org. That is the official VLC media player site. So simply go and open this. And here you can see download VLC for Windows. Make sure this is Windows. Click on download VLC. Now on the next screen you can see downloading VLC. In case it doesn't start downloading automatically, you could click here. In my case it has started, so I would simply go and wait for a while. The download process is almost complete. It all depends upon your internet connection, and here we are done. So I would simply go either open it from here, or I can always go to downloads, and here you can see we have here. So simply go and open this from here. Now here it would ask for permission, so simply go and allow that. Now click on OK, click on next, next, again click on next. But you can here, if you do not you are not using the Mozilla plugin, you can uncheck that and click on next, install, and the process could take around a minute to two. So you can see it's going on. So here we have, click on finish, wait for a while, click on continue, and here you can see we have successfully installed VLC media player on Windows 11. So hope by doing so you will be able to download and install VLC media player on Windows 11. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.